All the user interface features shown so far are really standard AutoCAD user interface features. What we're going to look at now is specific to Civil 3D. In the Home ribbon under the Palettes panel, we're going to open up the Civil 3D Toolspace. The Toolspace is key to working with Civil 3D objects. Within the Toolspace, you can have up to 4 different tabs available to work with. Tabs such as Prospector, Settings, Survey, and Toolbox. Now, if you don't see those 4 tabs from the Palettes panel in the Home ribbon, each one of these buttons controls one of those tabs. Now, the Prospector tab minds the drawing and presents us a tree view control to see the objects that are Civil 3D objects within the drawing. For example, the drawing contains 4 different surfaces. We have EG, no FG, Osceola Road, and so forth. Now, the reason why this is so powerful is because certain styles that can be applied may not display anything in our graphic space. So how can we work with, how can we change those styles? How can we do any type of visual control or change to those Civil 3D objects without our prospector? Beyond the prospector, we also have our settings tab. We're going to look at our settings tab in more detail in a minute. Additionally, we have the survey tab. We're going to cover that with our existing conditions module. We also have the toolbox. The toolbox is where we can create different reports, but there might also be miscellaneous utilities such as exporting a KML file and other tools that are very powerful tools but may not have fit exactly into the ribbon layout, or may be tools such as the subscription extension, where quarterly Autodesk may release additional tools that will plug right in to our current version of AutoCAD. These are tools that will be released in the next version, but we can have them right in our current version. So the toolbox kind of contains a bunch of miscellaneous tools that are utilities that we'll find in different ways. So recognize the importance of the tool space. The tool space is a palette and therefore can be dragged off screen, set to auto hide, and set, or in this case, as you see, I have it docked, or whatever works for you, but it is very crucial that you get familiar with it and may leave it open while you're working in Civil 3D.